how to add vocal presets in FL Studio. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in the super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So I have downloaded a sample vocal preset right here, which I will just download. So I'll just wait for the download to finish. So when it's done downloading, I'll just open it up. I'll just extract that folder right there, or that zip file I mean, and then there you go. And there you go. So these are our vocal presets right here. So what you want to do now is to go to your search bar and then just search up for Mixer Presets. So it's this one over here. Open up Mixer Presets. Then after that, what you want to do is to copy all of your vocal presets that you've downloaded and then just simply paste them here in the Mixer Presets. And then there you go. Afterwards, just head on back to FL Studio. Once you're in FL Studio, just click on this button right here on the top. And then once you're here, just choose any mixer you like. So for example, I'll choose this one over here. Right click it, click on File. And as you can see over here, we'll get to see all of the vocal presets right here that we have downloaded, or we have added in the Mixer Presets folder right here. So for example, I'll choose this one over here, Aggressive Rap. There you go. And there you go. We now have our vocal preset right here. And then after that, you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to add vocal presets in FL Studio.